Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Have you finished your pledge? Thank you. Now, my pledge. நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Don't forget to the 1 minute prayer, ma. Every day. Be safe in your home, students. See, square root of a complex number. What is it? Square root of a complex number. We know that the complex number is that which can be written as a plus ib or otherwise x plus iy. Okay. So a plus ib be the complex number. Let the square root of a complex number be the square root of a complex number. What is the complex number here? A plus ib. B x plus iy. What is it? A plus ib be the complex number. X plus iy be the square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number. Now, the statement can be written as square root of a complex number a plus ib be x plus iy. So what is it? Square root of a plus ib. So square root of a plus ib, which is equal to, what is it? X plus iy. X plus iy. Where x and y which belongs to r. R is nothing but a real number. Now, taking square on both sides. So square root of a plus ib, which is equal to x plus iy square. Okay, we are taking square on both sides. Now, square and root get cancelled here. Finally, we got it. Square and root get cancelled here. Finally, we got it a plus ib, which is equal to x plus iy the whole square. Which is in the form of, ma? Which is in the form of a familiar formula. What is it? Yeah, a plus ib. What is the formula? A plus ib the whole square. Since which is in the form of a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Am I right? Yes. Now expand this, which is equal to a squared is x square plus b square. Am I right? Plus b squared is iy the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into x into I into y. This is equal to x square. I square value is, you know that, minus 1. So minus into y squared is y square plus 2ixy. Am I right? Now, what is left hand side? A plus ib. Here having real and imaginary part in left hand side. And right hand side is also real and imaginary part exist. So equating real and imaginary part. So equating real and imaginary part we get. Imaginary part we get. What is LHS real part? Here real part is A. Right hand side real part is what, Rama? Yeah, x square minus y square. So a is equal to x square minus y squared. And imaginary parts. Here imaginary parts. Imaginary unit is I. So coefficient of I is imaginary part. So here b. Right hand side. Yeah. 2xy. So b is equal to 2xy. Okay. Now we know that one formula x square plus y square the whole square, which is equal to x square minus y square the whole square plus 4 into x square y square. Okay, 4 into x square y square. What is the formula? X square plus y square the whole square equal to x square minus y square the whole square plus 4 x square y square. Okay. Or otherwise, we can write it this formula x square minus y square the whole square plus 4x squared y squared can be written as 2 into xy the whole square. Both are same only. Okay. Now, x square plus y square the whole square, which is equal to, we know that x square minus y squared is a. So a square plus 2xy the whole square. What is 2xy? B. So b square. Finally we got it x square plus y square the whole square equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Now taking square root on both sides we get. Taking square root on both sides. Here taking square root, here also taking square root. Okay. Now square root of x square plus y square the whole square, which is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Now square and root get cancelled. We get x square plus y square, which is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Square root of a square plus b square. Since x square plus y squared is positive, x square plus y squared value is positive. Now, we found two values, x square plus y squared and x square minus y squared. Take it, x square minus y squared equal to a is equation number 1. And x square plus y squared equal to square root of a square plus b squared is equation number 2. Now, solve these two equations. 1 plus 2, which implies x square minus y squared is equal to a. X square plus y squared is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Now add these two. Plus y square minus y squared get cancelled. So x square plus x squared is 2x square, which is equal to a plus root of a square plus b square. Am I right? Okay. Now, to bring it to the right hand side, here multiple. So, bring it to the right hand side, change it into a divide. So, x squared equal to a plus root of a square plus b square divided by 2. Now, we need the value x. So, x is equal to, here square. So, the right hand side changed, root. So, square root of a plus root of a square plus b square whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. So, here square change it into root plus or minus root of. Plus or minus root of a plus root of a square plus b square divided by 2.